In previous video we have seen how to install ROS2 and we have installed a one tool which is Terminator. In this video we are going to install some remaining tools like Colcon build to build our ROS2 packages and a code editor to write a program for our ROS2 packages or ROS2 nodes. So we will see step by step how to install VS Code, how to install build tool. So let's come to our terminal. Here I am opening my terminal using Alt Control T and maximizing this. Here to install the Colcon I use sudo apt install python 3 hyphen Colcon hyphen common hyphen extension and hit enter. Here I need to provide my password. Press Y and hit enter. Download has complete. Now it is installing. And to install VS Code, just go to a browser and search VS Code download. Go to the official site of VS Code. Here you have to download .deb package for Debian and Ubuntu. My VS Code is started to download. I have already downloaded my VS Code, so I will cancel this and I open the download folder. Go to my files and go to downloads. Here you will see my code is already downloaded. So I will open a terminal here and give the command sudo apt install /code and hit enter. Here it's asking for password. Our VS Code has been installed. Give the code space dot to open the VS Code at present directory. Here you will see my VS Code is open. It means my VS Code has installed successfully. Okay, I will clear the screen first on Terminator. We have to create a ROS workspace. To create ROS workspace, first I will check the directories. I hit the ls command to show the folder list. Here you will see my desktop, document, downloads, music, pictures, public, snap, template and video directory are present. I create my ROS workspace directory here by using mkdir and I provide the name of my directory ROS2_WS. And here you will see my directory has been created, ROS2WS. I change my directory to ROS2WS. I create a subdirectory using mkdir. The directory name is src here. In here you will see my src folder or src directory is created. Now we need to source our ROS to launch our ROS programs. Whenever we need to use ROS, we need to source it before using. To source ROS, there is command called source /opt ROS distro name. I have installed Humble. So Humble setup.bash. And now I can use my ROS2. After source, I have cleared my terminal, and now I run the demo node cpp docker to check our ROS has been sourced or not. To run the demo node cpp docker, give the command ROS2 run demo nodes cpp here. Okay, I'll hit docker, and you'll see here demo node docker is started. Now in second terminal, I'm going to run the listener node ROS2 run demo nodes cpp listener. And here you will see ROS2 command not found. It is due to we haven't sourced our ROS in this terminal. So we need to source ROS source /opt/ROS/humble /setup.bash. And after sourcing, I will again run my old command ROS2 run demo node cpp listener, and you will see here my cpp listener has been started. It means we have sourced our ROS successfully here. To avoid this error ROS2 command not found, to add a source ROS on starting of terminal, we need to edit our bash rc using code /bash rc, and here at the last we need to add our source /opt/ROS/humble /setup.bash and save it, and closing this, and I start a new terminal here. You will see my new terminal is started, and I'm running my ROS on this terminal. ROS2 run demo nodes cpp docker, and here you will see my docker node has been started. It means our ROS is successfully sourced on the startup of our new terminal. Ctrl C to stop this node, and here we have seen how to install VS Code, how to install Colcon build tool. In next video we are going to see how to source our workspace directory and how to create our first package in ROS2. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.